Alright, today we got 2 Lux Air furnaces that we're twin kitting. HVAC controls. Alright, what's up guys? It is 7:30 in the morning. We're almost to the shop. We're sipping our coffee. We got an easy day today. Alright, anyways, we got a pretty easy day today. We just got to run the intake, put a couple straps on the drain, you know, just tidy up at this install. We pretty much did all the work yesterday. So I'll take you along the ride. It's going to be a pretty easy one, pretty fun one, and it's a little bit cold out. 40 degrees this morning, but it's warming up, so stay tuned. We did not run the gas pipe, by the way. We would not strap it like that. Just an FYI. Okay, this is what we got so far. Everything's glued up to this point. The exhaust is existing. We're just leaving that. We're just taking the intake out that way. Shot it straight down. Came over. Up. And then this space is too small to get a drill in, so we got to pilot from outside. Now I'm gonna go drill some holes, shoot them over, up, out. But we out. Battery dies. Of course. Oh. Fresh battery. Sometimes these are a pain. Right now. "20 minutes later, we finally got 2 holes. Still got a silicone and make those straight, but almost done there. We've got the furnaces on, heating up the house. We just got to dial in the gas pressures, and we'll be out of here. Clean up, you know. Okay, we got both furnaces on. Intake is done. Looking snazzy. We'll set the gas pressures now. Put that there. Turned out pretty well. This condensate pump is still filling, so I'm still charging my batteries. It'll be fine. I'll turn that up. Alright, cleaning up and then we're out of here. Easy day, early day. Oh yeah. Okay, we're done. We swapped out the 2 furnaces. We ran new intake because it didn't have any. The coils are the same, line set the same. A lot of it's still the same. New furnaces, new twin kits. IO HVAC controls right there, very nice. New condensate pump. Just gonna get my table and we're out of here. This table has been through it. The van is so clean. I don't know how long it'll stay like this, but the van is so clean. I mean, look at that.
You got the one Klein thing in it.
At least it's Klein though.
Yeah.
If it's not Milwaukee, it better be Klein. I love Klein. I have a lot of Klein hand tools. You gotta like Klein like that. At least he's not got the fucking Home Depot special or the Lowe's special.